Carmona, aka it's FK7, and today I have received a special package by, I don't know if you could tell, but Lasfit themselves. I've been wanting to do a review for them for a while, and I finally got the opportunity, so here we are. Um, so what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to take these off using a 10mm socket, and we're gonna have to gently pull the tabs off of the tail light, and you kind of have to use a little bit of force. It's gonna feel like you're about to break it, but you won't. Um, and yeah, let's do it. So here's the packaging. Very clean, elegant. Has their Facebook, YouTube, and IG on there, so you can follow them. So let's go and open this up and see what we have. So we have some side marker bulbs that we can use, as well as some other places. And here are the big ones, the big boys. The turn signals are extremely important. If you want to be seen at night, these are the ones you need. And let's see what else is in here. Oh, we've got some goodies as well. Some Lasfit stickers. Thank you, Lasfit. Oh, that one's upside down. All right, so let's put these bad boys on. Take this off. Packaging is nice. Will not fall out. All right, now let's put these on. Alright, so you're going to want to put the bulb where you took out the last one, which is right here, right in the center. So what we're going to do is remove the old bulb, make sure it doesn't snap off and break or something like that. You don't want that. You're going to put the Lasfit one in here, just like that. And you're going to put it in here. You're going to have to find the pattern. Let's see. Twist to the right. And it won't make a snapping noise, but you'll know it's in there because it'll just stop moving. And then try to line up the clips with where they were originally. And it's pretty simple. You kind of just push them in. Just give it a little bit of force. You'll hear them snap into place. Won't be too jiggly, alright? And we're going to put these screws back. So make sure everything is in place. You can finger tighten it if you want. So final verdict, those lights are bright. There's no way in hell that you're not gonna be seen at night, because I couldn't believe it. It was so bright that like I didn't even know that my tail lights could get like that. Anyways, if you guys want to order these Lasfit LEDs. Uh, the link will be in my description, as well as a promo code for them. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message or send a message to Lasfit themselves, because they'll answer all your questions super fast with as much detail as you need, because they're just an overall great company. All right. They make superior bulbs compared to other LED companies. You know, they're not cheap, they're high quality, and I know for a fact that I'm not gonna have to change these LEDs for a long time. So if you're planning on getting them, shoot me a message or hit the link in my description, and you can get yourself a pair. So do not hold back, because you're gonna love these lights. I already love them, so you know what to do. Take it easy, guys. It's FK7, Kevin Carmona coming to you. This is my second video, and I will be coming out with more content, so stay tuned. I have a sick video coming out, so I'll see you guys later.